This video will show you how to use the webcam kit in a home or office environment. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to set up the kit to work with Zoom. However, if you're looking to record something in Echo 360 Capture, the setup is basically the same. Now let's look at the kit. It contains a Logitech Stream webcam, a high quality USB microphone, 2 LED lights with stands, both a rigid and a flexible stand, and a USB power plug adapter to plug in the LED lights. The kit also contains a laminated card with all the contents, to ensure that you have everything when you pick up and return the kit. On the day of your booking, the kit can be collected from the learning cog on level 7 of the Hughes building. Before we set up the kit, it's important to keep in mind that the biggest improvement to any recording will come from your choice of location. You should pick a small room, like a home office or a bedroom, rather than a big room like a lounge, as this avoids sound echoing. Rooms with carpets or rugs rather than tiles or floorboards will also help. It's also important to consider your backdrop. You should avoid sitting in front of a bright window, as the camera will not be able to expose it correctly. However, if you place the camera perpendicular to a window, this will also create good lighting for your video. Now let's set up the kit. Our first step is to set up the microphone and webcam. First, plug in the microphone and place it in front of you. The closer it is to you, the better the audio quality will be. Now let's plug in the webcam into the USB ports on your computer. The webcam can be mounted on top of your monitor with the included clip. Your monitor should be higher than your eye line to create a flattering angle. Some monitors have a height adjustable stand. Otherwise, you can place books underneath your monitor or laptop to get the correct angle. You can also use the screw mount for the webcam with a flexible GorillaPod stand for more flexible positioning. This is ideal for filming other objects or demonstrating things on camera. If you're an advanced user, you can use the Logitech Capture software to access advanced controls for the camera. See the linked video below. Now let's start up Zoom and make sure our devices are functioning correctly. The webcam and microphone should be automatically detected by Zoom, but just in case, make sure Logitech StreamCam and Elgato Wave are selected both in the video and audio sections. Now we can set up the lights. These LED lights are powered by USB. They can be plugged into your computer or into the wall using the USB power adapter. There are 2 types of stands included with the light, the standard stand and the flexible GorillaPod stand, and they screw into the bottom of the light. Place the lights on each side of your desk as high as they can go. You can also dim one light to create defined shadows on your face. To turn on the lights, press the power button and you can brighten or dim the lights with the up and down buttons. And that's it. These simple tips should help you to get the best video and audio using the webcam kit.